Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting topic of moment generating function in one-dimensional random variable. Let us consider one problem, a random variable capital X as the moment generating function mx of t 2 by 2 minus t. So using the given moment generating function, we are going to find what is mean of x, and second one what is variance of x, and third one we have to find the standard deviation of capital X. So what is given? The given function is what? Moment function mx of t equal to what? 2 by 2 minus t. So target we are going to find the mean, variance, standard deviation, right? So first I will find the mean value. What is mean formula? Mean equal to expected value of x, that is equal to mx t substitute equal to, okay, that is mean formula, right? So first I will find mx dash of t by using a moment generating function of capital X value. Okay, so how to differentiate this? We have two different formula is there. One is u by v formula. What is u by v? That is nothing but v square into v u dash minus u v dash. What is second formula? Second is differentiate 1 by x, that is equal to minus 1 by x square into 1. Okay, so minus 1 by x. Okay, in previous problem we discussed the same model one problem by using a u by v formula. Okay, so in this problem I am going to use a second formula, that is differentiation formula. Okay, so how to differentiate this? So first we find mx of t. So here mx of t equal to what? 2 by 2 minus t. Alright, so 2 is constant, right? What is differentiation? 1 by 2 minus t, we can write minus 1 square. X is nothing but 2 minus t whole square. Okay, after that you differentiate this. When you differentiate this, 2, when you differentiate 0, what is differentiation of t? 1. So we get 2 into minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 by 2 minus t whole square. So this is called what? Mx dash of t. Okay. Similarly, we find double dash of t. Similarly, we find a mx double dash of t. Why? Because next we find the expected value of x square. So here I will find mx double dash of t. What is differentiation of d by dx of 1 by x square? That is nothing but what? Minus x cube. Okay. So using this formula, we are going to find one more time. That is double dash of t, that is equal to, here 2 is constant, take outside 2 into, what is differentiation of 1 by x minus 2 by, right? So minus x cube, x value is 2 minus t power 3. Later we differentiate this. When you differentiate constant 0, differentiate t 1. So therefore we get what? 2 into minus 1 plus 2, 2 into 2 we get what? 4. 2 minus t power, this is called mx double dash of t, right? So now we find a mean value, that is mu equal to e of x value, that is equal to, what is mx t? That is nothing but this function. So we get a 2 by 2 minus t, substitute wherever t equal to 0. If we substitute t equal to 0 here, we get what? 2 by 2 minus 0 square, that is 2 by 4. Okay, what is 2 by 4? That is nothing but 1 by 2. So this is called what? Mean value, that is expected value of x equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, we find a expected square value, right? So I am going to find the expected value of x square. It is nothing but e of square equal to x double dash of t, substitute t equal to 0. This is your double dash of t answer. So we write here 4 by 2 minus t power 3, substitute t equal to 0. If we substitute t equal to 0 here, we get by 2 minus 0 whole, that is equal to what? 4 by, what is 2 cubed? 2 cubed is 8. 2 square 4 into 2 8. So 4 8 are getting cancelled. We get expected value of x square equal to what? 1 by 2. Okay, so this is your expected value of 1 by 2. We find what? Variance of x, right? So how to find variance of x? We know v of x equal to E of x square minus E of x. What is E of x square? 1 by 2. What is E of x? This square. Okay. What is 1 by 2 square? Okay. So we get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Okay. So therefore, you take LCM is what? 4. Here in 4, how many times are there? 2, 2. 2 minus 1, we get 1 by 4. That is equal to 4. This is called what? Variance of X answer. Okay. What is next one? Next one, we find the standard deviation, right? How to find the standard deviation? Standard deviation is nothing but square root of variance of X. That is equal to square root of 1 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. This is called standard deviation answer. Okay, I hope you are enjoying the session. Thank you.